amazing Microsoft add-ins that you've probably not heard of before. Whether you're a teacher or a student or even just a newbie, these add-ins are going to be so useful for you. So let's just jump right into it. Let's suppose that you want to write a report in Microsoft Word. You need facts for this. We will most probably be using a web browser to search for facts on the internet. And mostly we will use Wikipedia too. But with this add-in, we are bringing Wikipedia right inside our Microsoft Word program so that you don't have to go elsewhere searching for your facts. Now with this add-in, you can search for anything and everything, get the details that you want, paraphrase, copy it straight, add it to your report, whatever you want to do. But don't be like me, don't copy it right away from Wikipedia because you're going to get 0 for plagiarism. Add-in number 2 is my favorite. It's called Pixels. Honestly, there's nothing more unprofessional in a report than low quality images or even images that have been copyrighted which you have no authorization to use. Pixels provide you with amazing, beautiful and high quality images that you can use for free without having to worry about copyrights. Add-in number 3 is going to be from PowerPoint. We all use PowerPoint on an occasional basis, some of us even on a monthly or a weekly or sometimes even on a daily basis too. So there's no reason why you shouldn't use these cool add-ins to make your presentation stand out. This add-in is called Web Weaver and it is just like the name suggests. You are going to embed a web page in your slide. So once the add-in loads, you have to give the web address to the site that you want to display. Click on OK. Do a little bit of configurations. You can play around with where you want to position it. So you can, I'm just trying to resize this. And that's it. Once that is done, we'll see whether this really works. So let us present this. Go to the second slide and there you can see that the web page is embedded here and it is fully functional. You can see the links are also working. So let's click on the first link, and that was a shameful plug to my YouTube channel. So you can see that once you click it, your web browser loads with the link that you added. If you want to make your presentation lively and let's say spice it up a bit and make it a bit more bubbly, let's use add-in number 4, Pixton comic characters. With Pixton, you can add illustrated comic characters which can be used to, retain the engagement of your audience. So you can style your character, you can style their outfits, select their poses, you can even add some text to make it look more vibrant and engaging. Now on to add-in number 5. Is this the best add-in or what? Polleverywhere is an awesome add-in that everyone should use at least once in their presentations. So once you add it, you'll be asked to create an account, and once that is done, you can select from a wide range of templates. You can have an MCQ, you can have a ranking, a survey. I'm just going to click on this emotion scale just to keep it simple. Once I have added that, I'm going to edit this. So you can also edit the title, you can edit whatever you want just to suit to your requirements. After saving, you can click on the poll that you just created so that it will be visible in the slide. Let's present this now and see what happens. It's presented and you can see there is a link at the top, pollev.com/kjregis616. Now this is the link that your audience is going to use in order to engage with this poll. I'm going to use my mobile phone right now. Click on this link, go to this link and click on the yellow color smiley. Now you can see there is a pointer that has fallen and that is actually from me. You could also do a little bit of editing on this poll. Let me edit this to show how many responses have been registered here. So I just have to go and do a little bit of changes in the settings. You can just play around with it. Now you can see the total number of people who have engaged with this poll. I'm going to use my friend's mobile phone, do the same steps and click on the light green smiley and see what happens. And the pointer has fallen on the light green guy. If you want to get more information about who clicked what, you have to log into your account on the Polleverywhere website, and then you'll be able to get more details about the poll, who interacted with it and many other different information. that brings us to the final add-in, and Excel steals the spotlight. So there are many different add-ins that you can use in Excel, but I'm just going to pick one. That's right, I'm going to pick my favorite productivity add-in in Excel. So this goes by the name Mini Calendar and Date Picker. You just have to add it. By the way, I'm using this sheet to schedule some of my classes. So I need to key in some dates for the different days that I'm planning to do the classes. This particular add-in is a lifesaver for me because all I have to do is just click on the date and it will just add it automatically for me. I don't have to do any typing, or I don't have to key in any values into the cells. On a different day, I would just use the computer's calendar, or the calendar on my phone, or the calendar on my desk, check the dates and key it by myself into these cells. Now that was taking a considerable amount of time, which is when I actually came across this add-in, and it has been the go-to add-in for me every time I use any type of scheduling on Excel. Once the dates are keyed in, I'm just going to beautify this a little bit. I'm going to add a little bit of formatting to make these dates look nice. So that is it, folks. They were my top 6 add-ins. Let me know what your favorites are by commenting down below. If you learned something new from this video, please like it, share it, and subscribe to my channel.